empty of the EAS.
Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Calhoun County in north-central West Virginia, southwestern Gilmer County in north-central West Virginia, north-central Roane County in central West Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arnoldsburg, or 7 miles southwest of Grantsville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arnoldsburg, Millstone, Orma, Stumptown, and Mount Zion. 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Arnoldsburg, 47 miles southwest of Grantsville. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Locations impacted include Arnoldsburg, Millstone, Orma, Stumptown, and Mount Zion.
Yeah, that's what we mean when we say the superstars play right here on Superstar Country 96.1 KWS. Crash, Garth, Rodeo, Brooks.
His eyes are cold.